As Stop the Malevolent and the Minecraft Man 281, we are gonna have a burping contest, and my strategy is to swallow bubbles to burp. Yeah!
Well, we were supposed to swallow bubbles. I was drinking this Coca-Cola.
I can drink Mountain Dew.
In the nation, people are remembering driver's ed. They're looking left, then right, then left again.
Weird. That was
Texting,
quiet.
tweeting, no sir. They're breaking for squirrels, and then some.
How
Their
real
deductibles
members
are disappearing. Because nationwide insurance members who have additional deductibles get $100 off.
You're like a
every
seal.
year of safe driving.
Hey, you took my line! You son of a biscuit!
Join the nation.
Okay, it's my turn, YouTube. It's Azathoth's turn. Hold on.
Affordable Care Act means big changes this year when you file your taxes. I've read the whole 900 pages.
Oh, I feel one coming.
I will give
I
you
love
a
burping.
healthcare review. I can help you figure it out.
I did better than you.
The Minecraft Man 281 sucks. Sort of. He's my friend, but he's also my enemy. And sometimes. Oh, my stomach hurts, but I'm gonna burp again just for you guys. For you guys.
Oh, yeah!
They're different, but the same.
Don't be a
Frosted
wuss.
Mini Crunch.
Don't be a wuss.
Square packed with a
Wuss!
That was quiet.
Okay.
You're a wuss. You're the one being a
Comment for Minecraft 281 or I still thought the Malevolent.
Okay, please comment for each of us who you think won the battle. Or if you think it's a tie, feel